Changing your profile picture on iCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile picture easily. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Open your web browser and go to the iCloud website. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate and click on your account name or the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Edit profile picture. In the account settings, look for the option to edit your profile or profile picture. Click on the option that allows you to change your picture. Step 4. Upload new picture. You will be prompted to upload a new image. Choose a photo from your computer or device that you want to use as your new profile picture. Make sure it meets any specified requirements for size and format. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new picture, confirm the change by clicking the Save or Update button. Your new profile picture will now be updated across all iCloud services. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on iCloud. Enjoy your refreshed account.